Alrighty, we're going to bring these out. And let me put that down. And then went ahead and put it on boil for a few more minutes. So it'll be at the top too. So here we have the little bread bowl. Alright. And this is hot. So I'm going to lift this up. Up, maybe. Alright. Slide it in there. And then at this time you can add toppings. Toppings? Do you have some toppings? So, you can put pickles, relish, you know, maybe mustard, ketchup. I am going to put a little bit of ketchup on here because I love ketchup. And a sandwich a different way. Or, as he can also add more bacon. Oh yeah. Now, we'll do a taste test here in a minute. That is hot. So, as it's cooling down, it's not that so much that it's hot, it's just that, you know, slippery a little bit right there. There we go, and one more. Alright, this one. There we go. There is 4. And of course, we add a little bit more bacon to each one. There we go. Alrighty. So, we're going to give this a try. Now, and some of them are soft. Some of them did turn out kind of like a little bit, you know, more steady than the others. So here we go. Oh my goodness, that's so good. Awesome. And of course, you want the bread warm, you can stick it back in there, but the bread warmed up with it already. So, think outside the box. Have a sandwich a different way. Have a keto style type sandwich. The cheese, the meat, the mushrooms, the bacon without the bread. Low carb. So thank y'all so much for watching. And thank y'all for being here. You know, regular things. Subscribe, like, ring the bell for notifications and all. And we'll see you next time when I treasure home. Wild hair and everything.